Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be showing you, I guess, a tip that I do, or that I have recently found out and used myself on my silhouette. I had an order to do some shirts, but as you guys can see, look at that. It's a hot mess, right? And when I tried to cut on this thing, you guys, this thing is like really bad. You see that? It just was not coming out good. It wasn't coming out right. Like, I just couldn't do it. But I had the orders. Like, she was coming to pick it up the very next day. Stores was closed. I waited to the last minute, as always. So I had to figure out, okay, what the freak am I going to do? Like, I gotta get this, I gotta get this lady's order. So I was like, okay, what do you have on hand? What I had on hand was some contact paper. As you know, pretty much what the cutting mat does is make it stick where it won't move. It won't, you know, shake, move, scrunch up, whatever. So I used my contact paper. I pretty much sized it up to where it would go like in between here, not on the little holes, but just in between there. And then I cut it a little bit bigger than what I actually needed, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this down, then I'm going to show you. Okay, so as you see, it pretty much fits perfect, and it is hanging off on both sides, just like this. What I'm going to do is peel back the contact paper and put it in between, you know, in between the sheets, in between these pads. I'm not going to undo it yet, but pretty much I put it on top, and I made it stick to this one, and then I just placed it just like that to where it was like that, and it was sticky. Let me tell you guys, that vinyl did not move. It didn't mess up. I got 2 shirts done. Do you hear me? I got 2 shirts done. All right, so let's go ahead and try to do exactly what I just said, because it can be a little difficult. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel off like a little bit. All right. So I have it peeled off. I'm just going to go ahead and place that much of it down on this board. Make sure it is even. All right. Nope, that is not even. I'm trying to look at myself in there to see. Y'all can see. Okay, yes, y'all can see. Okay, as you see, it is stuck right there on the board, just like that. Only thing I would do, take my other boards that I'm using, place my other boards on top. I'm going to now do this. Go ahead, peel it down, and then you go ahead and stick this other one, you know, underneath the same one. So that would be under here. Make sure you pull it really, really tight. Which one is it under? Is it under this one? Yes, it is. It is. Okay. All right, just like that. To where now you have a sticky, you got a sticky cutting board. And let me tell you, nothing on this, it does not move. It stays in place, especially because you have it, you know, bolted down with the sides. It doesn't move. You're good to go. So, yeah, if you need an emergency cutting mat, then this is definitely something that you could do. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.